Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video is over Sampo-Giri, triple cut. This is Seitei Kata number 7. We'll have a look at this from the front. We'll have a look at this from the side. Now, this is a walking kata. We're taking 3 steps forward. On our third step, we're turning right. Single hand overhead cut. Again, this is stopping chin high. Then I'm pivoting to my left. Overhead cut. Pivoting to the front. Overhead cut. Then stepping back into Jodan Nakamai. Step back again for my Chiburi. And then we no-tail. All right, let's have a look at that, going a little more quickly now. All right, now let's take a look at that from the side. And turning right, overhead cut. To my left, overhead cut. To the front, overhead cut. Step back, Jodan Nakamai. Step back again. And then and no-tail. All right, once more, a little more quickly this time. All right, that is the kata Sampo-Giri, again, from the front and from the side. Thank you very much for joining me.